What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a special treat for you today. I have found some small water and a little birdie told me that there's some browns in there. I went ahead and grabbed my ultralight setup and we're gonna be fishing over there. That's some pretty small looking water, but it's got some flow. Stay tuned, we're gonna see if we can find some brownies. How's that looking for a spillway? It's looking like it should hold some trout down here. I'm hoping so, at least. Starting with an orange worm on a trout magnet jig head. Let's go see if something will eat. Fish on! What do we got? What do we got? All right, a little creek chub. First fish on the ultralight for the year. Little creek chub, little fall fish. Thank you, buddy. That's not a bad start, honestly. It's not a trout, but a lot of times those fish can be holding where the trout are. All right, let's see if there's any more over there. On something. Yes. Alright, we actually hooked the bottom. Lost our setup. I retied on. I skipped the swivel this time because it doesn't look like I need the weight. Tied on another trout magnet jig head. This time, going with a root beer color. Let's see how this does. Oh no. Hey. 0 for 2 on trout magnet jigs. All right. On to our third trout magnet jig head. I found out there's a log hanging out right where I was drifting it by. So we're gonna try to avoid that log from here on out. And I'm gonna go with bubblegum pink this time. I'd be happy if there was just another creek chub here before I move down. I can see that log now. Yeah, you aren't getting my trout magnet again, you dirty log. Fish on. Oh, pink works. And another fall fish. It's like a big shiner, about to bring them over to the reservoir and use them as bait for the Lakers. Thank you, buddy. Have a good one. All right, we are right above that spillway you just saw. It's much calmer up here. I do see more ripples up ahead. Let's see if we can find a place to get in over here, first of all. Ooh, something was pulling on it. I saw that one. Wasn't very big, but we're gonna try to catch it. Oh yeah, he pulled a little bit on the trout magnet. Let's try that one more time. Let's give this like a much slower action and see what happens. Yeah, you see that little tap? Little tappity tap tap. I wish that was whatever was chasing it, but nope. Come on. All right, pink's been working. Went with a little lighter pink this time around. See if we can tease whatever the heck was thumping away in here. Give it another cast or two and we'll start working our way back to the car. A lot of holes on the way back to the car. All right, we're working our way downstream. I just gotta hit this pool one more time just because, I mean, look at this place. Fish on. See, I told you it was worth coming back to this hole. Another fall fish. Fall fish with some missing scales here. I don't know if he's been fighting or what. Whoop, whoop, fumble rooski. Oh, you made it. Thank you, buddy. I'll tell you what, brown trout rumor or not, I'm having fun today. Fish on. All right, stay out of that tree, little guy. And we got the smallest fry of the day, one creek chub. I think that's 4. Thank you, buddy. Have a good one. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I have been haunting heavily pressured trout waters, heavily stocked trout waters, and I have come home without a bite more times than I've caught fish this year, and that's a little discouraging. So to come here and just hook up to some nice little fall fish, I'm having a blast. They say a bad day of fishing beats a good day of working. I agree with that. I can't even call this a bad day. That little guy was hungry. He destroyed this little trout line. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed catching some creek chubs with me. I still don't know where these alleged brown trout are supposed to be, but I was happy to explore this water. Found some nice, good-looking holes. I'm gonna try to investigate another small water spot on my way home for a future video. If you like this sort of thing, let me know down below. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. And until next time, this is First Cast Media, hoping to catch you in the next one.